Everybody, I'm stuck in the attic. The stairs broke. I can't get down. No, I'm just kidding. Welcome back to Btwilla's garage. I've got this nice Milwaukee light that will turn on. There it is. I'll put a link to that in the description. But we've got an April Aire 310 here. You can see our filter cabinet to the right. And if you have two systems in your home, you're going to have two of these. But I did want to teach everyone today, that every 3 to 6 months, you guys can chime in the comments how often you're doing this job. I do it every 6 months. Here in North Carolina, it's pollen season. It's important to keep your air clean. And we're going to swap out this filter. It's super easy. You want to locate your filter cabinet. Like I said, the airflow is going to go to the left on my system toward the, the unit itself. And it's really, really easy to do that. I think I can film it without a tripod. So I'm going to put the link to the 310s, the 510s, all the different models. You can search on Amazon and get these way less expensive than your typical HVAC shop. But you're going to pull from the top here, open the cabinet itself, lay that down. There's two little slots that your filter rides on the top and bottom, if I remember correctly. Maybe they're just on the top. I'm going to pull out this old one. It's going to fold up accordion style. Once it comes out, you see my airflow to the right toward the unit. We're going to keep that in mind. Pull it all the way out, kind of put it back. I'm going to get my new one out and we're going to slide it in, replace the cover, and you just protected your system from dirty air. So I'll show you that last part and then I'll leave you guys links so you can do this yourself. Mine's a Trane unit. Depending on what you have, yours may be different. But a lot of companies use these April Aire. So if you just checked your unit, have an April Aire filter, they do sell them on Amazon, and you can keep your air clean and healthy. So here's the little hooks that the filter rides on here and here. And there are two more at the bottom. So you can see on the filter itself, they ride in these little channels. So that's going to be how you get it back in. So here we go. We've got the top riding in the channel, the bottom riding in the channel. Just want to kind of go at the same time, get it all the way back in. And your last step, there's two little hooks on the bottom of this guy that you can see right there. We're going to tilt it at an angle, get it down into the system, close her back up. That's sealed. Great work. You can even see April Aire here on the cabinet itself. Here we are in the basement, guys. It's the same thing with the 810 that's on this system. Pull from the top, set in a safe place, remove the old, insert the new with the arrows facing the proper direction, and you're back in action. So here's a quick idea of how dirty the filter can get. You can see how clean it is on the sides. And again, this is 6, maybe 7 months at my house. The box says 12, but I would recommend 6 if I were you. Here's a closer look at that light. It's actually a knockoff. It's not Milwaukee, but runs off of Milwaukee batteries. Works great for jobs like this. It's got a 1 switch and a 2. Again, link in the description if you're doing your own work at home. Fantastic to have. You guys take care. Thanks for watching Btwilla's Garage.